Hi guys, it's me, Nixpao channel again. So for today's video, I'll be cooking one of my favorite dish in Japanese. So pag kumakain ako sa mga restaurant, lagi itong nasa order ko, hindi to nawawala. So as you know, mahilig ako sa shrimp. So may idea na kayo? Okay, it's shrimp tempura. So guys, let's start cooking. So guys, this is our ingredients for our sauce. We have our brown sugar, 1 tablespoon. Mirin, 1 teaspoon. Water, half cup. Kikkoman soy sauce, less salt, 1 tablespoon. Then, sake, 1 tablespoon. We have also guys our ginger, then radish, only a bit of it because hindi rin masyadong maganda pag marami kasi ma-overpower ang ating sauce. Guys, for our sauce, pagsamasamahin lang natin lahat yung ingredients. So, wala naman tong kung anong first. So, we have the mirin. Okay, lagay ko yung mirin. Water. Sake. Okay. Then the soy sauce. Yan. Then brown sugar. Yan. Okay. Kita niyo ba guys? Brown sugar. Then the radish and ginger. Yan. So, lutuin lang natin saglit ng ating sauce. Diba? As you can see, as simple as this. So, yan. Kumukulo na siya. Basta saglit lang naman to guys eh. So, let's turn off the fire. Then, let's just strain it para wala siyang residue. Oh, no! So, for me guys, I want to strain it. But if you want not to, okay lang din naman. Okay? So guys, this is our shrimp for our tempura. It is half kilo. As you can see, ang laki-laki ng hipon ko. Ganyan po ako pag bumili ng hipon, laging malaki. Okay. So guys, let's start our shrimp. Preparing our shrimp for our tempura. So, I'll be teaching you another way of dividing our shrimp. So, easy way pa rin naman to. First, just insert the toothpick. Then, pull it like this. Oh, di ba? Tanggal na siya. Yan. Then, balatan na natin siya. Let's remove the skin. Yan. Tanggal ulo. Then, as you can see guys, ganito lang siya kalaki. Siyempre, pag sa tempura, diba, maano siya? Mahaba! So, may technique doon para humaba ang ating shrimp. So, we need to transfer ko lang to dito. We need to cut yung sa likod niya. Yan, konti lang naman. Cut lang natin to. Okay. Then, may natira pang paa. Tapos yan na siya. Press lang natin siya. Like that, guys. So, mas lalo siyang humaba. Diba? Haba-haba na ng shrimp ka. So, ganito lang ang gagawin natin hanggang maubos ang ating shrimp. Maging ganito siya lahat. So, yan. We have already one. So guys, let's do our butter of our shrimp tempura. Here guys, we have our Japanese flour. Japanese flour. So, guys, you can buy this in any supermarket kung meron kayo dyan. Or kung wala man, Japanese grocery store. For sure, meron sila nito. Kasi, why I choose this? Because we don't need to mix. Listen, it's easy. Kasi, all we need is this one, the flour. And the next will be the cold water. For this, we will be using 1 cup of this for our half kilogram of shrimp. So, let's start. So, yan guys. 1 cup of Japanese flour. Then, let's put our cold water. 1 cup flour, then 1 cup of cold water. Dapat kasi yung texture niya medyo smooth. Parang naging siyang yan. Let's just keep on mixing it. Suave. Yan. So, yan guys. So, medyo okay na siya. Pero, not yet. Kasi medyo may buo-buo pa siya. So, gagamitin ko na siya ng Warwish. Yan. Gigil na gigil. So, yan guys. Nawala na yung buo niya. Yan ang texture ng ating butter. So, guys, while heating our cooking oil, kasi deep fry siya, we have our flour. Kasi, before we put it in our butter, we need to coat it first in the flour. So, yan. Okay, coat lang natin siya. Tulad niyan, nakasampay siya. Nakasampay sa ating dough. Yan. Kaso yung isa, nag-give up na siya. Kasi hindi na maluto. Guys, it's already hot like me. Let's start frying. Yeah, shrimp. So guys, ang pagluto po ng tempura, hiwa-hiwalay. Hindi pwedeng lahat sabay-sabay. Nagkalat si Nix Pao. Okay. Ayan guys, ito na ang ating tempura. Let's put it here. Ayan, with paper towel yan guys. So, strain natin yung kinalat ni Pao. channel, my editor-director. Please also support him, guys. You can see his link below in the description box. And